Welcome everyone to today's new video. I will show you in the today's video how to use the mobile display as a monitor with the camera. My camera display went black around the screen, so I use mobile display. So let's start from the beginning. Two cables will be required from attaching the mobile to the camera. First of all, OTG Type C or micro USB and Apple, which is connected to your mobile. Secondly, camera data cable, my camera B3 data cable. I will connect the camera with data cable. OTG connected to mobile, OTG and data cable connected. Now download APK must be purchased with money on Play Store, paid app. Go to Google Chrome to download for free, search DSLR dashboard. Click the download button. For country boundaries, VPN will connected. Download start now. Open this app DSLR dashboard and allow all option and continue. On your camera and mobile screen, select DSLR dashboard, just one, and open dashboard. You can see up and click live. Now you can see everything for the camera on your mobile screen. You can focus all subject and good camera quality and video recording or photo capture. Now photo and video save your phone. Click image option and click camera option. Select your photo and video and click the download button. Give a like if you like this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.